the clergy that is leading us in today's celebration, Mama Dr. Barbara Magoha, your wonderful son, Dr. Michael, and his wife, the extended Magoha family, my brother, my friend, my party leader, Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, fellow mourners, we are here to join you today to celebrate the life of a great son of this country. Professor George Magoha was a man that many may say was before his time. A man committed to education, a man committed to enlightenment, a man who neither saw color, tribe, region, or country, but saw each and every person as his brother and sister, entitled to equality, not only before the eyes of God, but in law, and most importantly for Professor Magoha, in terms of access to education. I had an opportunity to work with Professor Magoha. I had an opportunity to interact severally with Professor Magoha, especially at a time when we were going through very difficult times in the education sector. Many of you will recall the numerous cases of exam cheating that used to take place. And when Magoha's term as Vice Chancellor of Nairobi University came to an end, I requested him, because of what I had seen in terms of his contribution to Nairobi University, to take on the role of heading the National Examination Council. And under his leadership, at that time, together with Professor Matiang'i, they saw the eradication of cheating in our national exams. And they brought sanity and quality back to exams and to our education system. Hiyo kazi yote ilikuwa ya huyu mzee ambaye amelala hapa mbele yetu. As if that was not enough, we continued to work together. When I appointed him as the Cabinet Secretary for Education. And again, a milestone for Kenya under his leadership of the ministry. For the very first time, and the first country in sub-Saharan Africa, Magoha managed to move the transition rate from primary to secondary education to 100%. Kazi ya huyu mzee ambaye amelala hapa. Making sure that no child was left without an opportunity for education. Making sure that no child ended his education in standard 8 because of lack of fees or facilities. That was his commitment to education. That was his commitment to the children of this country. He went further, and as minister, working with his colleagues in East Africa, proceeded to work to develop curricula, to develop standards for universities that are now emulated not only in the East African community, but also in other countries like Malawi and Zambia and others who wanted to learn from him. But more importantly, as I said the other day, he also took on the challenge of refreshing our curriculum to make it better suited to help our children face the challenges of the future. And this he did not because of politics, but because he believed in it. And if truly what everybody has said here is what they mean, because I have sat and listened to so many eulogies here about what a wonderful man lies before us today, what a great giant lies before us today, then implement what he started and let this country benefit from what he worked so hard to achieve: less politics and more work. That is who Magoha was. And that is what we shall remember of him. And for us, we have lost a friend, we have lost a partner, we have lost a colleague, and we have lost a great giant of this country. And ours today is just to stand with you, Mama Barbara, to stand with your family, to stand with the extended family. The same way Magoha stood with us, we shall also stand with you to the very end. To the people of Gem, be proud to have produced giants such as the one who lies before us. And you are known to produce giants. So musilale, muendelee na kazi, mutuletee wengine, na wengine, na wengine. Tujenge taifa letu la Kenya. Ama namna gani? Tumekubaliana? Na vile Magoha aliishi, vile nimesema, bila kuangalia kabila, bila kuangalia dini, bila kuangalia rangi. Hata bibi ametembea, ametoa kule Nigeria, ametuletea hapa. Viongozi, tuache ukabila, tupendane kama Wakenya, tujenge nchi yetu pamoja na tuweze kujadiliana pamoja, tuwe na Kenya ambayo itakuwa ya kufana na ambaye kila Mkenya anatoshea na kila Mkenya anafurahia. Ama ni namna gani wenzangu? Ni hivyo. Hiyo ndio njia ya kumkumbuka ndugu yetu, rafiki yetu, na tunauliza Mwenyezi Mungu amlaze pahali pema, Mwenyezi Mungu amurehemu, Mwenyezi Mungu aendelee kubariki familia yake, jamii yake, wananchi wa Gem na wananchi wa Kenya kwa jumla. Asanteni sana. Thank you very much.